Rajasthan's desert, where the water is scarce and the sun is unforgiving, survival itself is a challenge. Yet, in one village, a professor has turned this drought-hit desert into a landscape of hope with the idea of a family coming together to support a forest. Children here are nurturing fruit saplings and entire communities are supporting them. Let's take a look.
Vikas is a quick and tidy worker. After school, the 11th grader tends to tiny seedlings. There are a number of children here from the village spending their after-school hours at this tree nursery.
It is really important because we have learned that plants should be taken care of like kids.
What sets this tree nursery apart is that it belongs to everyone in the village and is taken care of by everyone. This village is in Rajasthan, is called 12 TK. Located in the Thar desert, temperatures in the summer can reach 50 degrees. For a tree nursery, it's an extremely challenging climate. We focus on planting seeds suited to our climate, including khejdi or jar. In addition, fruit-bearing plants like kinu, lemon and pomegranate are commonly grown here. They can also bloom in desert areas with limited water. The concept employed at the nursery is called familial forestry and was conceived by Shyam Sundar Jani, a sociology professor from the city of Bikaner. The thinking is that young trees will have a far better chances of survival if they are nurtured and cared for post-planting as you would with a regular member of the family.
Familial forestry emphasizes that our work starts after plantations. Not our work ends with the plantation. So when we plant saplings, that means that we are ready to take or we are ready to own a responsibility to nurture that particular tree like a green member of family. So it's a kind of an active and empathetic environmental activism.
This is not the first time we have met Shyam Sundar Jani. We featured him in a previous report 4 years ago, also about familial forestry. Back then, he took us along to the university where the idea germinated. In 2003, young Professor Jani planted a number of native trees on the campus grounds together with students, which they then cared for. He gave saplings to families to provide both fruit and shade for their gardens. In 2021, he also took us to a school where the children performed a celebratory dance as their classmate planted the seedlings brought along by the professor. And they all learned from him about the importance of taking care of the budding trees. 4 years on, Shyam Sundar Jani has returned to see how the tiny trees have been faring.
The condition of trees are quite well. Actually, when we started planting over here in 21, then I did not expect that they will grow in such a healthy stage, and they are quite healthy, and it shows that the teachers and the students are maintaining them properly.
In 2021, Shyam Sundar Jani was given the Land for Life Award by the UN Convention to combat desertification. The honor put him and his familial forestry concept in the international spotlight. And that has in turn helped him to attract international funding from organizations in the US, Canada and Britain. Over at the tree nursery in 12 TK, there are plenty of local visitors. Villagers from neighbouring Motsar Khuni have come to pick up new seedlings, which they don't have to pay for, thanks to the donations. But they do promise to give the trees some tender, loving care. And in addition to native tree seedlings, the nursery also grows shrubs. The professor wants to show us why and takes us to Dabla Talab, 200 kilometers south of 12 TK. For 2 decades, an area covering over 200 hectares of land was subject to rampant illegal gypsum mining. 3 years ago, Jani began restoring the area using the familial forestry principle.
Familial forestry doesn't mean merely planting of trees. Familial forestry means that to respond the requirement or need of the local ecosystems, as this ecosystem is very specific with the grasses and the shrubs.
And back in 12 TK as well, people have gathered together today to talk about their experiences and about familial forestry. Over the last 4 years, the Little Tree Nursery has nurtured and given away over 200,000 saplings, with the village itself turning greener.
भंवर में फंस गई है जो हमें कश्ती बचानी है कि जलकर राख हुई है जो.
One of the villagers has written a song in praise of the program. That familial forestry is about far more than just planting trees.
हमें कश्ती बचानी.
That's all for today's episode. Environmental challenges can often feel overwhelming, but change begins from our neighborhoods, from our choices. Today's stories were a reminder that sustainability is, of course, about policies and technology, but it is as much about the actions that we take. Are you seeing any such efforts around you? Do let us know. And do not forget to follow us on our Instagram at DW_environment. Thank you so much for joining us. I will see you next week with more such stories. Until then, take care. Goodbye. Namaskar.